Hi friends, welcome to Smart Record All-in-One and I'm Saraman. Today I'm going to tell you about Tez App friends. Tez has left a new update friends, whereas we are getting more money friends. How much that money I'll tell you in this video friends. Even by seeing this interface I think you are getting many doubts friends, how it is possible, but I'll show you see friends here. Before starting this video friends, if you like this video please give me a like button and subscribe to our channel SR All-in-One. See friends, Tez App friends, whereas it has more than 10,000 millions downloaders friends. See friends, I'll open my normal account. See friends, first I'll show my what are the terms and conditions of the this update friends. There is simple terms and conditions of this update. See friends, see first I'll open, I'll go to offers and see friends, for this account I have got ₹60 friends. If I refer any friend then with the help of that link, if they download it, then I'll get ₹60 friends, and whereas he will get 51 friends. See here, these are the few terms and conditions. Just is telling that with the help of link we should download it and make first transaction and earn money within bank friends before 24 July 2018 friends. Before this only friends, after this you can't friends. And I'll open another friends, but for sake of this I have created another Tez App friends with the help of parallel space. See, I'll open, see friends, it's opening now. Whereas if you observe friends here, see here, see friends, I'll go to offer. Whereas if you observe here friends, you can observe now friends, get ₹75 friends. Same terms and condition friends, but if you download with this friends, if you refer any friends with this, then you'll get friends. And I'll show another friends here. I'll show, but I'm not able to show app friends, but it's my mom Tez friends. Here I'll show you here. In this we'll get ₹101 friends cashback if with the help of this link. I'll give this 3 links friends, which you want you can download it and just you can make how much ever you can send money friends. Surely I'll assure you that, I'll promise you that I'll send you your money back friends. If you send me ₹1 also I'll send you back, and if you send me ₹1000 also I'll send you back friends. See friends, in this you'll get 101, and in this you are getting 75, and whereas in this 60 friends. But I'm not able to understand why the Google has done like this friends. For one member we are getting like this friends, but I'm getting 101, 75 and 60 friends. Even I have asked all my friends, even they have told me that I'm getting 75, but I don't know why my mom got ₹101 friends. Once you update your app friends, then also you are getting 75 friends. Even I have tried that also friends, but even I am not able to understand friends. If you understood, tell me, even I'll learn from you friends. But I'll give you these 3 links in description friends. If you want ₹101, then you can download it, or even you can refer to your friends that you download and you will get 101. Then I'll show you make transaction friends. If they send me amount, then surely I'll send you friends. How much ever they can send, I'll send you friends with assurity friends. Surely I'll send you friends. But wait for 24 hours friends. That's it. But surely I'll tell you friends. If you have any doubts, you can surely in description my number is there friends. From there you can WhatsApp me, or even you can go to about and you can text me see friends. That's it friends. The video is very simple. I think even understood that how to earn friends. Just with the help of this you can do friends. If you don't know to create Tez App, then surely I'll give even that video in description friends in link. From there even you can download it. From there you watch and you can how to use this Tez App, you can learn it friends. That's it friends. In this video we are getting 3 different things friends. Once again I'm showing here, whereas 160, 75, 100 friends. See friends, which you want you can do it friends. I'll give in the 3 in description friends. With the help of that you can sign in and you can earn it friends. But who are done it, then they'll get 751 friends. And even new people comment me friends, how much in your Tez App it's showing friends, or 60, 75, 101 or more than 101 friends. That's it friends. If you are getting more than 101, surely you can copy, share with your link in WhatsApp or anything friends. Surely I'll paste in description friends. That's it friends. Thank you and Jai Hind.